What is the number? One. One teddy bear. Two. Two dolls is here. Yeah, next. Three. How many balls are there? Three balls. One, two, three. Yeah, next. Four. How many ducks are there? Four ducks. One, two, three, four. Next, what is that? Five. How many buckets are there? One, two, three, four, five. Next, what is this? Six. How many rings are there? One, two, three, four, five, six. Next, seven. How many aeroplanes are there? Seven. How many aeroplanes are there? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven aeroplanes. Next, what is this? Is eight. What is this? Eight. How many clocks are there? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight clocks are there. And next, nine. Yeah. Next, how many bags? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. There are 9 bags. Next, 10. How many cupcakes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 cupcakes. Thank you. Bye.